Welcome to Conic Section Series by Dr. Kamal Asif. In today's video, we are going to discuss the construction of parabola by rectangle method. As we all know, parabola is the third figure that we get in a conic section. So here is the example to understand this method. In this one, a ball is thrown in such a way that it reaches a vertical height of 5 meters and a horizontal distance of 11 meters. Trace the parabolic path of the ball. Now for this one, the distance of 5 meters and 11 meters is very big for the sheet. So we have to take a scale so that this size gets reduced to the size of the sheet. Now for this one, we take the scale as 10 millimeters is equals to 1 meter. So this will make the height of 5 meter as 50 millimeters and the distance of 11 meters as 110 millimeters. So once we have it, now let us draw the parabola. So for this one, the first thing is to draw the line AB, which is 110 millimeters long. And then in this one, we locate the center. And from this center, we draw a perpendicular, which is 50 millimeters high. So this is the perpendicular. And then we complete this rectangle. So this is our rectangle. And the height of this rectangle is 50 millimeters. And these are the points A, B, C, D, and OP. Now the next step is to divide this side AD, AO, OB, and BC into some equal number of parts. Now here I'm dividing this AD into 5 parts, 5 equal parts in fact. So for this one, we draw this line, and on this one we take 5 arcs of equal distance. So this is our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now join this fifth one with D. So we have this one, and then draw parallel lines from other points. So we get these points on this line AD. Now we transfer these points on side BC so that we do not have to divide BC separately. So when we transfer these points, we get these points on BC. Now next is to divide AO and OB into the same number of parts as we have divided AD. So for this one, we draw this line, take 5 arcs of equal radius on this one, and then join the last one with O and draw parallel lines from the remaining points. Likewise for OB also, we take this line and then we take arcs of equal radius on this one, 5 equal arcs, join the last one with B, and then draw lines parallel to the first one from other points. Once it is done, then our job is to join the points on line AD and BC with P. And from the points on A and OB, we draw perpendiculars to intersect these lines. So to start with, first we join P with the points on line AD. So we have these lines to join the points on AD with P. And then from the points on AO, we draw perpendicular to get some points of intersection on these lines. So from this one, we get this point. So likewise, we have these 4 different points on these 4 lines. Next, we join P with the points on line BC. So we have these lines. And then we draw perpendicular from the points on line OB. So we have these points and lines. So we get these 4 extra points on the side OB and 4 points on the side AO. Now when we join these points together, then we get a curve which is called as parabola.